Hey there! We at Samsung Mobile would like to show you in detail some of the interesting features for note taking and accessing information on the Galaxy Note 10.1. S Note's full of features that can recognize what you're doing and improve what you do. So, if you're into math or science, you'll find that Formula Match is a useful feature when you come to working out calculations. I can write down a formula and easily find an answer to it. You can see that as I'm writing it down, the formula is recognized, just like this. Now, I meant to write down a 6, but my handwriting's not so great, so I'll simply erase it and correct it, just like this. It's as easy as that, and I'll write down a better one. Now the formula's been recognized, so let's find the answer, which is going to show up on this side of the screen. The answer is 88 over 3. Plus, I can see that there's this diagram here, which I'd like to add to my S Note. So I'll take a screenshot. And I'm going to select the specific area I want, like this. And I'll simply drag it over and drop it, like so. Let me close the right side of the screen so I can tidy up my note that I took here. I want to insert the recognized formula into the note, so I'll go ahead and select the insert option. Now, as you can see here, my not so great handwriting has been converted into digital text. Now I'm going to move this here and point out the answer to the equation by marking the graph, like so. And I'll write down the answer, 88 over 3. We just solved an integral and I'm curious to find out more, so I'll type in integral and search for it using the knowledge search function. Search results will show up on this side of the screen. And I'm going to look up the mathematical definition of it. And that's been loaded, and here we go. Now I want to leave a note to myself on what to study for tomorrow, so I'll use a cool gesture like this, and I'll remind myself by writing it down. Study integrals tomorrow. Now here's a cool feature of S Note. I can launch floating toolbars like this one, and even for the productivity tools as well. So using this, I can quickly go back and forth between the tools and select exactly what type of settings I want. Now, using this black color and the shape match function, I'll show you how easy it is to visualize my ideas. And as you can see, the rough outline of a table I drew has been corrected into a perfect shape, which is an amazing feature of the Galaxy Note 10.1. I'm going to use the handwriting to text tool to add in certain details about the table. So using this, I'll write in revenue with my own handwriting, like so. And you can see that it's going to be converted, like so. And I'll add another detail and write down cost, which also will be converted. And I can even spice up the table with my own handwriting by writing high and low. And I'll write high and low here. Now let me move the pen settings toolbar down to where it was before. And I'm going to add some competitors to the table. I'll select blue and the shape match tool. And I'll draw in some circles. Now, isn't this amazing? This is the perfect tool for me as my drawing skills are not so great. So using shape match, I can visualize my ideas and actually be able to recognize what I drew even later on. And I can even add my own personal touches to them with my own handwriting, like so. And those are some of the great note-taking and information features you can expect to find in the Galaxy Note 10.1. If you'd like to see more features, you can find more videos at the Samsung Mobile YouTube channel.